Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to add photo in Canva Resume. So let's get started. So first thing first, all you have to do is go to your web browser and search for canva.com in your search address bar. And after that, all you have to do is log into your Canva account and search for the resume you want to add photo to. So after you find the resume you want to add photo, so after you get the resume, all you have to do is tap on the upload option available from the left side of list. Tap on it and tap on the upload file from the purple highlights, and here choose any photo you want to upload from your PC. So make sure that you have the photo on your desktop downloaded. Now simply tap on the photo and all you have to do is press on the photo and drag them from the upload file section to your resume. Now all you have to do is go and tap on the photo. So as you can see, I'm doing the same, tapping on the photo and dragging it to the place I want to upload it. So I'm uploading the photo to the right corner side. Now you can adjust the placement and keep it according to your preferences. So that is it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.